the notice of less pendants puts a lien on your own property for the problem in the notice of conveyance. And we figured out that you can do these as notices. You just place them in the public record. Okay, but if your ass is already in the fire, about to get pushed off the edge of the table, off the edge of the cliff, because the table wouldn't be that bad, but cliff would be worse. Anyway, getting pushed off the edge of anything would probably be bad. So we'll just go with the table. What the hell? Then we're going to suggest that you invest in the judicial notice of less pendants, or the judicial notice of, or if you invested in the other package and the other two already, just take out notice and put or add judicial to it and make it a judicial notice. Change the styling on the top to make it the heading, the court, and all like you're gonna file it in your case, and then then file it in your case. So you're filing a judicial notice of fraudulent conveyance in the case instead of way the hell across town, the other building over there, while they take your shit over here. You see what I'm saying? This is what I ran into Henry. He's running around all day trying to get all the stuff because he wasn't like tech savvy. And I got to thinking, we need to put that shit over here. So all y'all, that'd be the first thing I'd be doing if they had a case against my ass and I didn't already have or even if I already had the counterclaim stuck up their ass or whatever, because this moves you up as number one lien holder. It moves you up past all of them. As someone telling me, well, can I stop the property tax or whatever we can do? You ain't got to stop shit. Okay? That's not. We punch the ass in the face until they go sit the fuck down. So that's, I don't know. That's if they don't want to go sit down, we'll keep punching them. And I have people tell me, oh, no, but you don't do this, I don't do it. No. I teach people how to stop the court process. And like I had a doctor. Okay. So if someone already had a less pendants filed in the case, well, absolutely. But okay, the first thing you want to file is the notice of fraudulent conveyance. Okay, because that so the less pendants is just a lien that you're putting on the property. It doesn't really say why. I mean, you can say in it why, but the fraudulent conveyance is jamming there. At some point down the road, I got people calling me from California, so we're just going to have to. They're gonna have to call me back later because I'm a little busy. Okay, so the less pendants is putting a lien on the property. The notice of fraudulent conveyance is putting a lien on is putting a lien on the property to let them know that. Okay, let's back that up. The notice of fraudulent conveyance is letting them know that you're claiming they're trying to steal your property with the shuffle of paperwork and magical move the things around bullshit. So that's why you're putting a lien on it. Okay, now, in order for anybody to beat that in my head, they're going to have to, they can't. They can't until you get done kicking the alleged lender's ass and making them prove that what you're saying is bullshit. And so, in my head, moves you up to number one lien holder. There ain't no way that if I got fraudulent conveyance and less pendants filed against the property, there ain't nobody jumping that unless they come with the same shit. Okay, so I didn't know how that would work, but if yours was first, then we got to handle yours first, and you can use my bag. Just remember that the thing comes off if you don't pull it out the right way, so it makes you look like you're not a real. Do you know who I am? I got 2 batches. Okay, sorry. So look at it this way. And this is the way I like to do it. Because I'm not that smart. I'm going to roll without limitations and do whatever the hell I think I need to do. If I already had some stuff over there and they was ignoring it and doing all this shit, then I wouldn't even connect none of that to what I'm doing over here because this program is over here is already set up to kick these people's ass